Do men have pelvic floor? That's the subject of this video. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shakib from Core Pelvic Floor Therapy right here in Irvine, Orange County. One of the most commonly asked questions in my office is, do men have pelvic floor? And the answer is, of course. Men, just like women, have the same anatomical parts. So your pelvic floor is the floor of the pelvis. And yes, men do have a pelvic floor. What's inside the pelvis may vary because men have prostate, women have uterus and ovaries. So we're not talking about that. We're just talking about the floor of the pelvis. So when it comes to the treatment of pelvic floor dysfunction in men, the approach is essentially the same. There are differences as far as the causation, but as far as the overall picture of treatment, the treatment is going to require stabilization of the pelvis, which is the house where pelvic floor is the floor of. So in order to stabilize and do things or treatments for the pelvic floor, we need to first understand and make sure that the pelvis itself is nice and stable. So to answer the question, yes, men do have a pelvic floor, just like women, and the treatment is about the same. So if you have pelvic floor dysfunction and you're not sure what's going on because the treatments you've received are not helping you, or if you have a question about your pelvic floor dysfunction, make sure you use one of the methods of contact in the description box to contact me. Until next time, take care.